Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So we've got two different ways to check this number. We can use a secret code or the settings. Of course, I'll show you both, and I'd like to start with a longer way, thanks to which you will always be able to check the IMEI, because you can, for example, forget the secret code. So let's enter the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And as you can see right here, we've got the IMEI numbers of this device. Now let me show you the shortest way to check them. We can enter the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.